The final section is your account settings. So let's go ahead and click here. Here you'll be able to control your account settings. So for example, if we take the first section here, first of all, you'll be able to see information about your account, since when you've been a member, your current plan, and your account status. You can also see the storage used and the SKUs used. If you want to change your plan, click here. And as you can see, you have 3 different plans, and if you scroll down, you'll find a 4th one here. The 4th plan is a starter plan, and I recommend that you use it when you're first starting because it's cheap, and if you have less than 25 products, you can definitely go with this plan. Just remember that here you'll be paying a 2% transaction fee, and some features are limited, such as you will not be able to edit HTML, you will not be getting discount codes, and no phone support. But again, it's completely up to you. If you scroll up here, you'll find 3 different plans: the basic plan, professional, and unlimited plan. If you look at the different plans, you'll be able to see that they all have different credit card rates. So that's something to put into consideration when you're choosing a plan. The other thing is they have different file storage capacities, but all of them have unlimited products. All of them have 24/7 support, and all of them have discount code engine as well as full HTML editor. The difference starts here. First of all, in the basic plan, you won't be able to offer your customers gift cards, and you will not be getting the abandoned cart recovery, where Shopify will automatically email your customers who've abandoned their cart. Also, you will not be getting a professional report from Shopify. On the other hand, the difference between the professional and the unlimited is that the unlimited will also have advanced report builder, and it will have real-time carrier shipping. Real-time carrier shipping, as you remember when we talked about it in the shipping settings, will basically allow your customers to see real-time shipping rates. Now, once your 14-day free trial ends, you're going to choose one of these 4 plans. Make sure you compare all of them and choose the one that suits you best. So let's go back to the account settings. Now that we know how to change our plan, let's scroll down here. Here you'll be able to see basic account overview, add a credit card, and you can also change your credit card if you want to. In the next section here, we're going to talk about staff members. Obviously, I am the account owner, so I will be listed here as a staff member. If I want to add a staff member or a business partner, click here on Add Staff Member and enter the name, last name, and email address and send them an invite. So let me go ahead and fill this out, and I'll be back here in a minute. Okay, so I sent an invite basically to myself on a different email just to show you how it's done, and I accepted the invite. Now we have a second staff member. Since this is not the account owner, you can actually limit their access. So let me show you how it's done. Click on the staff member here. You can actually change their information, but in order to limit the access, scroll all the way down here. As you can see, there's a section here called Admin Access. Check this box, and here you'll be able to check the sections that you want this particular staff member to have access to. Let's say I don't want them to have access to settings and apps. I just want them to have access to, for example, orders. Of course, you can choose as many as you want. And once you're done with that, just click on Save. And that's it. Now, this staff member will only have access to the orders section when they log into the account. So let's go ahead and go back. If you want to remove this particular staff member, if they are no longer working with you, you can always click here and delete this user. If you do have a Google Apps account and you want to be able to log in using Google Apps, just check this box here. And finally, in this section, if you want to expire user session, just click here and click on Yes. Let's move on to the next section, Invoices. Here you'll be able to see your monthly invoices for example, you'll be able to see your recurring monthly bill for your Shopify plan. Here you will receive your monthly invoices for your Shopify plan, and you'll be able to click on each one and view the details. And also here it shows you when the next invoice will be sent. Let's move on to change account owner. Let's say for whatever reason you want to change the account owner. So maybe you're selling your business or for whatever reason, you can definitely do that. You click on the drop-down menu here and you can choose whoever you want to be the account owner. Now, obviously here you do not have a lot of options. If you want to add a particular person who is not in the list here, you first have to scroll up here and add them as a staff member. And once you do that, when you click on the drop-down menu here, they will appear and you'll be able to make this user the account owner. And finally here, you'll be able to either cancel or pause your store. If you want to pause your store for whatever reason, click here. And if you want to completely close your store, you click here. And that's it for settings.